All the Ducks 22. We've got another one to open. Let's crack on with this advent calendar. Oh, I think I can see what's in here. And we'll see what's in here. I remember having an advent calendar as a child, and I remember sneaking downstairs, eating all the chocolate in the calendar, and then the next day, one was like, where is all the chocolate gone? And I was like, I have no idea. And it was only me that would have done it. Excuse me. So, yeah, she never told me off too much about that. So, yeah, I know you're watching, Mum, because you watch all my videos. So, yeah, it was me. But day 22. You could stick with one of the classics, the zigzags. We think they are simple, but so very effective. The zigzags. Ooh. And we have, so you can't see in these, with these lights. So let me just open these up. So we have some cut zigzag feathers. So we have, this is a pack of 5 for £3, and the colours we have are the jade, and we also have like an orange here. The feathers are around 6.5 to 9 inches in length, and £3 for the pack. And obviously, like always, like with the feather, with the silk flower, if they are a little bit like, just hit them over a kettle, steaming kettle, and it'll just refresh them back into their original shape. So both of those, thank you. Beautiful, gorgeous colours. Gorgeous colours. They look really nice together as well. Perfect. Today's question of the day is, what is your favourite holiday destination? It depends what I want from a holiday. Sometimes I want a beach holiday. Sometimes I want something a little bit more cultured. But I think my favourite holiday was New York. Loved it. Loved it. I only spent 3 days there. And it was amazing. Amazing. I got to go to Mood Fabrics. For those of you that watch Project Runway, you'll know Mood Fabrics. Love that place. And we travelled on the Queen Mary or the Queen Elizabeth. I think it was the Queen Elizabeth. I'm not too sure. We sailed across. It was bougie. I was one of the youngest people on the ship, so that was very nice. And I'm trying to get the other Mr. Westwood Hill to maybe let me go on a cruise again. He's not a big fan of cruises, to be fair, but I would love to do that again. So I would say that would be. But then again, I do like a beach holiday. I went on a beach holiday recently with some friends. It was like a boys' holiday. It was not too much carnage. It was a little bit carnage, but not too much. I'd say it just depends what you want from your holiday. I think as I'm getting older, I'm going more on like the cruise. I would like to do more of the cruises than the beach holidays. But you know, it's like you're only as young as the man you're feeling. That's what, as I've been told. So we have the we have the feathers today. So that was we've got a lot of good stuff, and like I said, as always. All the items will be listed in the description box below, alongside all my social media. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you are. And if you are already subscribed to this channel, hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. Thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow when I've already seen tomorrow's package. And I know what is in it. And I'm very excited. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.